Hello, good afternoon everyone. Is my mic on? Yes, my mic is on. Good, good. Ooh, so. I know it's a kind of random time to start, but we are doing some program. Oh, my camera's in the wrong place. Slightly better. There you go. So, programming, more programming. That's what we're doing. Oh, there's something at my face that's going to be bugging me. So, we are once again back. We have the list, which you can't read because it's back to front. There's also some words on the back. They're not in the English alphabet though, so they're meaningless. So yeah, we've got some things that I want to do just quickly over the next couple hours. Then there might be a Minecraft stream this evening, but you know, no spoilers. And I forgot to open up chat beforehand, so just give me a mo. There we go. Okay. Yeah, our first thing, I'd like to make it so the player, so you can save the game or auto save maybe, and make the ability for the player to die, or well, make it so something happens when you reach 0 health. So in a mo, we will get on with that. There we go. Okay, chat up on phone. Boom. There are people talking outside, but I've got to keep my window open so I don't boil. Okay, great. Paint.net's just decided to update. I don't care. Just let me do my programming. So, here we go. Okay. This is OBS, as usual. And I just realised I haven't... Fuck off. I haven't done my usual warm-up thing that I usually do. Normally before, I like to just warm up for my brain a bit before I do literally anything, by playing a quick round of chess just against a machine, but it's always a good way to warm up. So if I just go here, okay, that opening move, all too unoriginal. Okay, yep, I know this one should be pretty easy. Okay, there, I think. And there we go, okay. No, hold on. We need to do... What was that computer? Oh, that's fine, okay. No, don't start Paint.net, I'm playing chess. Don't worry, this is related... This is just the sort of thing we gotta do. We gotta do that to get the king out the way. Then we can go like this. Shit, no, then it will... Oh, bollocks, okay. Change of plan. We stall for a minute. Basically we need to get our queen anywhere along here, so that it'll put a passed version of their king in check, and there's nothing they can do about it. Because they haven't branched the timeline yet, there's no way... There would be no way for them to get out if I were to put it there. But they could take it, which is a problem. And if I were to try putting it on that one in a couple moves, it would also get taken. So we have an issue. There isn't safe, there's... Okay, this piece is out for now, we just gotta figure something else. That's where we have horses. if we do this, hang on, that puts it in check in the past, and then we can do this. And no, it still gets taken. Okay, well, 2 horses down, but our plan's getting ready to be set up. Oh, it's advanced. Okay, what's that doing? That's going to... Okay, I see. That should be fine. Shit. Why did I do that? And I just realised the king can go there. Oh, the queen can go there and it'll do the same thing. That might not perfectly put it in check, but it's a start. Yeah, no. Okay, we're just going to move it across the board. Actually, hang on. If I just see what the issue is, it's... Okay, there. No, there gets blocked there. Damn it, these ones make the defense too strong, and we've missed our opportunity to slide between them. Like, the ideal one, you'd have it so it goes through between that board and that board to thread the needle right into the queen. But my god, it can go... There's one place where it can go all the way back to the start of time. Impressive. And hold on. There we go. Okay, well that's threatened, so we are just going to move it there. It's a very valuable piece, as you can see from how much it can move. Very curious as to what the AI is going for here, but if I do this, that shouldn't put our queen out of action. But it does put us in a favourable position. And oh, another... Oh, nearly quite far back in time. Okay. Actually, hang on, idea. If I do this... Perfect, there we go. Check, not checkmate though. Now we just move our queen out of the way. Hang on. Thing is, there's a strategy to this game where basically you just create so many check scenarios that eventually there won't be anywhere for them, any boards for them to move pieces to. It's viable if you're playing against a computer. Hang on, I'm going to go like this, and oh my god, they've taken a lot of our pieces, I just realised. Okay, I might not be winning here. And there we go, yep. Did the exact thing I said. But wait, no, and we can't move any pieces back in time to stop that, because then it advanced it on this board. Okay, you know what? Another one. Oh good, I go first. And I'm not going to sacrifice that horse here as I would usually do. Wait, no, yes, I want it there. Hey, do. Hang on, that's... If I would move it there, it would go... There. Oh, okay. There we go. Very quick win. As you can see, it travels through time there. And damn it, this was meant to be a programming stream, not a chess stream. Okay. Done with that programming time. I'm tucked incredibly far back from my desk. Anyway. What do we want to do first? why we want to do what I said we'd do originally, before we were playing chess. And that is figure out a way to make it so you can save the game and so the player can die. So let's just get a saved world variable and a world variable, because I have an idea. No. Basically, I have an idea, so we know we have... Jesus Christ, this song is loud. Okay, so what I was saying... Oh wait, no, it's because I have my volume a lot higher than I usually do. Okay, that's not too quiet now. Shouldn't be. Okay, so basically we have a world which is made of cells. We've established what a cell is in previous streams. But I'm thinking, if we just have all the cells in a list, like stored together, that list will be the world. And then every time we want to save the game, we just copy what the world is at the current moment into the other variable. And then when we want to load a previous save, we just move what's in the saved world. We push that to the current world, which shouldn't be too difficult to implement, just other than triggering it. And where's the music gone? Oh no, it's just in the Hall of the Mountain King, but incredibly quiet. Anyway, yes, programming. Sword. Yeah, we did the sword last time. Why is it printing 100? Control F console.log. Okay, that one's hidden, but we can... Oh, it's printing the player's health constantly. Also, can we find where is it still writing the frame rate down at the bottom? It is. You know, I'm really glad I made the like the sort of lag prevention stuff. Basically, no matter what the frame rate is, you will move at the same speed. Like, yeah, you'll move at the same speed. Why did it just go nan? Oh right, because there was an error. I forgot I said it, so they explode. Okay, yes. Yeah, basically you move at the same speed no matter what. So if the frame rate's lower, it increases your movement speed, and if the frame rate's higher, it decreases your movement speed, so you'll still get a smooth viewing experience. Now what's this thing doing out here? Oh, I know what it's doing. It's not having an AI. Hello. Did we get rid of all the console.logs? We did, and frame... if I can spell frame rate. No, hold on. Text frame rate. There we go. Yeah, there's the correction, just for one thing. If we go up to the first instance of it, is right up here. Anyway, that's not the priority for today. So we want to make... We've already got the world and the saved world. So if we go... Oh, the saved world's also going to need to have things like... It's going to have what the player's state was at the save time stored as well. Because obviously, the player isn't part of a cell, the player is its own thing. So we just have saved world is going to be a two-dimensional array with the player and the world, and it'll copy the world to the world and the player to the player. That sounds incredibly stupid, doesn't it? But trust me, that's how it will work, and it will work. So we can go world equals here. And then saved world equals wait, no, player hasn't been initiated yet, so we just got to drag this down to here. Wait, no, it doesn't need to be a 2D variable, it just needs to be like this. Although technically... Shit, we need a thing, because this could cause an issue. And now, I just want to find out what F9 is, what the key code for F9 is. 120, okay. Draw. If key is down 120, player equals saved world 0 and world, oh god, world equals saved world 1. Now there is a potential problem that what will happen is saved world is currently updating with the other variables. So if we just, because it's basically just pasting a reference here to the other variables instead of making a copy of it and putting it in there. But if that's the case, we can fix it. There is a thing I know how to do. Now if I just go here, just to prove this theory, saved world 0 dot x do 1000. Yeah, see, that's copying what's in the saved world file. Hold on. Okay, there's going to be another thing we need to add to the saved world, and that's which cell is currently loaded. So, will it be in... Oh, fuck, it's in one of my old projects. Hold on. There you go. Yeah, see? Okay, so this is what we may need. Now, if we trust something we just found on Stack Overflow, we should be able to refresh this. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay, should have guessed. Okay, maybe this. As usual, just copy from Stack Overflow and it will work. No, here. Oh my god, it worked. Okay, hold on. And it's not changing, and F9. It broke. Player.controls is not a function? Why not? Okay. What is it changing player to? No, console.log player. What does player become after you commit a load? F9. I mean, it definitely should still exist because... Hang on, no, it's... No, it still fully exists. It should have all of the same functions. I mean, it still has all the same variables of its constructor, which we can see there. But then it doesn't keep the variables. Or it doesn't keep what it is. Hang on. Was it in the... Okay, there's a chance I think I know where it was. If I go... Doomant, please be in here, that would make it so much easier for me. Wouldn't have to go to... anything. No, it's not in assets, it would be in modules. Preload, no. Render. Okay, don't know why that's stretched so far out. No, oh, it'll probably be in the main script. Setup, maybe. No. Loading a level. Object.assign. Is that what I'm currently using? That's what I've just tried, isn't it? Object.assign. Damn it, it's the same thing. Hang on. I have an idea. Okay, so if it's the same object.assign, we can go saved world equals new PC with the... Hang on, just maybe... I'm just going to copy that out so I don't forget it. And comment it. Sign... That will definitely break something, but as long as it continues printing 1000... Wait, no, if we delete that I wanted to try. As long as it keeps printing 1200 after the crash, it should be good. Or after we load. Oh no, wait, no, we need to test it under... Yes. Okay, I've got it. I have got it. We don't need that, we just need... Basically this, because they're primitive variables, it just copies the value, it seems. So we can go... We can just do this. I mean, yes, it's long, but it will work. There we go. And on the next line, it's going to store just something blank, and then this stops me from having to write so much. But basically, we can then go. Let I of world saved world 1 dot push new add element. Okay, good, that is correct. Push needs to be a new world. Shit, what's it called? New cell. With I dot walls, I dot floors, I dot objects, I dot AIs, and I dot grid. Now that could cause an issue potentially, because these are also more lists of objects, but we can test, because once the enemy comes around the corner here, he came through the fucking wall again. Why? I thought we'd fixed this. Okay, something's wrong there as well. Oh shit, the camera data as well, maybe. Wait, no, that wouldn't make sense. Did I actually control F5 there? Just to refresh the server fully. Because when we press F9 it should do that. Yes, it does. Hang on, this has changed now. But then if we press F9, doesn't bloody work. And I can't use F9 as what I'm used to for the usual. I'm used to be F5 being a quick save key, but F5, because this is a web application, it just refreshes the page. And update, this needs to be Please be that simple, damn it. I forgot what the thing was. Was it not that? Could have sworn it was that. Hold on. This is where we had it copied in a comment. Was a sign. Okay. Good, good, good. This is promising, this is promising. And then we... Whoop, quick load, and it's back there. Does it reset the enemies too? Okay, there you are. You're through the wall. If we bring you all the way over here, actually... Actually, hell, we could go to a different cell. That's the next test, I suppose. And goodbye. Goodbye. Shit. Shit, it's not working. Wait, so after... Hold on. After the saved world is called, it fucking stops working, apparently. If we just do this, maybe. F9. Okay, that one save worked, but then another load doesn't work. Damn it. And if we just copy like the entire thing, because it's just reverted the state of the world. Oh god, what did I open? It basically just resaves itself as what it previously was. And why is the indentation all fucked up here? Okay, and promising, looking promising. It works. Yes. Okay, hell yeah. Now we just wait for the enemy to fucking come through the wall for some reason. And just right you are over here, sir. God, I need to up that movement speed for some of these tests. You know, while we're waiting. I was actually surprised at how good my method of... And F9. Shit, it doesn't reset the enemy position. Okay, that was a worry. Then if we do this, F9. It doesn't... Okay, it just reverts the player, but nothing else properly. Hang on. We can just... I think I have an idea where we basically just do the same thing we've done for the world here, but do it for each individual element of the cell. So we go let walls potentially, and then I'm just thinking how we'd go about this. Aha, I know. Let J of I dot walls. Walls equals walls dot push. New wall j dot. I don't remember. Oh, I spelled that wrong. J dot new wall. Hello, can we fucking just the one time I want it to actually give me a bloody pop-up and it doesn't. It's called a boundary, that's why. Okay, that's entirely on me. New boundary, what's it, i.x1? No, it's j.x1, you idiot. God's sake, this is difficult. z1 j dot x1 x2 j dot z2 texture j dot texture. Actually, to be fair, the issue with it not resetting the cell could be because of how I've stored what the current cell is. Yeah, we got to fix that too. It doesn't. Okay, that's an issue. But we can fix it. We'll... Hang on, j.texture, is there anything else I'm missing? j.height, of course. And j.base. Walls equals... Actually, we should do this better as an example to prove that it works, is to do it for the enemies. No, it's AIs. Now we just remember what the variables are. Hello, please give me the pop-up. There we go. X, j dot y, j dot... It would help if I could actually press the right button. Oh, lowercase t's. There we go. That is the correct thing. And then we replace this with not those, but these. For God's sake, come on, hurry up. Just this once I'm letting you glitch through the wall because it makes it slightly quicker. Okay, that should be good. F9. It crashed. Walls.push? What do you mean walls.push? Where's that? 990? Yeah, I thought so. Why? Why? Walls is a fucking blank. Yeah, walls is a blank array. It should be able to have push done on it. And if we're just gonna print oh god. No, get rid of all those things. I don't know what they are. Ah. Console.log walls. It should be blank, but it should show you all of the functions that walls can do. Hello, can I have my mouse back? Yeah, it's blank, but it is because it's an array. It has. I don't understand. Push. See, it has a push. We can use push on it, but why doesn't it work? Also, why does it have 0 as a boundary? It's filled itself with a boundary. Okay, there we go. See, it's added a boundary into walls, but then it crashes the second time. Hang on, eye of world is a cell. Cells have a dot walls property. And is it dot walls? It must be. Yeah, dot walls, so and then for j of I dot walls, let's just test. F9. See, there it is. There's the cell's walls. So it should be taking each of these, copying them into this, but it gets through the first one, then it gets fucking confused. Wait, what is J actually? J should be a single wall. And I forgot what line it is. 992. Yeah, see? Hang on. Oh my god, is it because this is in the wrong place? That could be the issue, okay. Oh, I accidentally pressed the thing I shouldn't have pressed yet. Okay, so it does that. Just get rid of the fucking console.logs. It's messing things up now. No, I should get rid of that. Not just the bracket. Not the bracket at all. Okay, now let's try again. Fresh. Idle walls is not iterable. Why not? Why's that got a squiggly bracket? Why are there 3 idle walls? That shouldn't be possible. How's it become a fucking object? Okay, so if i.walls is... Yeah, but there's only 3 things in world. It's not... Oh shit, hold on. .log, saved world 1. It's not accidentally adding something else to the save file up here and fucking breaking it, is it? No, 2 cells. Okay, that's good. Then we F9. It didn't crash now. What did I change? And that is cell. Then that, and that, and then that. Okay, that's correct. Yeah, that's test cell. That's test cell 1 or test cell 2 because you can tell because there's different things. Why did it change by putting console.log statements in? That makes no sense. If we get rid of those, then save that. Literally all we've changed is console.log. Okay, now it's breaking again. Type error. Okay, good. It's 2 cells saved, then we load a save. Hang on, if we go world.length, should print 2 with a line 987. So F9, 2, and it didn't... Why did it not crash that time? It crashed the second time. Hang on, I just realised something. Oh shoot, that's a mistake. There we go. F9. Load complete. Yes, that's what I thought. It's fucking breaking. I'm pressing F9 for too long and it's loading the save twice and fucking some things up. So if we console.log walls here, they could... This could show us the problem. I don't remember what line it should be on. 997. Yep, it's turning them into a squiggly brackets instead of a square brackets. Why is it doing that? And hang on. Seriously, game. I mean, music. It's not doing it up here for the cells themselves. And why is one of these not iterable? You know, we've figured out that's the issue. We can... Walls is not iterable. Okay, what do the curly braces do? Yes, I said squiggly instead of curly. Array, braces versus brackets. Come on. Aha, good, there is an answer. Convert an object to an array. So yes, that's what it's turning our list into. Yeah, sure, this is good. Okay. Wait, but it's not... Hang on, the object isn't keys and values, is it? Let's just... fuck off with this bit. I need to see the walls. Or the saved walls. F9. 0. Oh, it is. Okay. Okay. What this means is it's this. We need object.values. So here... No, let's put it above the console log. Walls equals... object.values. Walls. Refresh our page. Yes. Oh yes, it works. And then we have the problem with the AIs instead, which is okay because we haven't accounted for that yet. So that should go. That should actually go there, so it doesn't run it as many times. Oh. Now, we do this. We swingity swing while we wait. This needs more frames. Still. But I'll get round to that in my own time. There's the enemy. We should now press F9. It has refreshed everything. But he's still in the same place. If we just sort of kill it. Hang on, there could potentially be an issue with it doing something wrong for the entities. So if we just do Badoop. Oh, no, hold on. Wait, no, it is. Okay. It's objects. Now we've just got this. Oh, I have completely messed up there. J.Z. J.sprite sheet. J. Hello. J.colwidth. J.height. J.interactable. And J.use data. Oh, close bracket on there. No, on there. Nine, it broke. Okay. Okay, alright. I see how you're gonna be. Why is it broken? What have we done different to other things? So that's oh my god, I spelled objects wrong. How did I not pick up on that? And should that even have changed anything? No, because it's crashing here. It is objects, no? Let's check. Cell. Objects, and I... Hold on. Let's see, console.log i.object. It's undefined. Why has it become undefined? Despite the fact that that shouldn't make any differences, let's try just switching it before the... No, it didn't. Okay, cool. Why is i.object undefined? Oh, because I spelt it wrong up here, so the save wasn't having it. Okay, good, it did it, then it crashed on the second try. Line 353? 353. Oh no. there's another object inside entity, isn't there? Sprite sheet, yeah. For God's sake. Well, this is okay, we can go. For let k of j dot sprite sheet. Wait, no, that's not right. We just sort of replace this with a, because it's not a loop, it's just new sprite sheet. Fucking tell me what the variables are, please. Did I spell sprite? I spelled sprite sheet wrong, didn't I? It's both lowercases. Thought so. Sprite sheet. There we go. Hang on, I'm just going to do this. Oh, there you are. Hello. Goodbye. F9, it crashed. At 996, where did it crash? Is it not sprite sheet like that for that? It is. Okay, that's line 996, okay, so okay, so it's the second time it tries loading. Then entity, objects 0. We don't need to worry about the crash on the second attempt to save anymore. I know what I'm looking for here. Okay, there it is. 100997. Undefined. Why is it undefined? Oh, because hang on. The first time. The second time it makes sense it's undefined because it's blank. Oh, no. Okay, realised the issue. Because it doesn't keep... Basically, what it uses is it takes a sprite sheet, then splits that into separate variables. So you pass in a sprite sheet object, and then it splits it into its variables and stores them separately as part of the entity object. So there you go. Okay, good. It's completing multiple loads, and that was the issue. Okay, good. You're through the wall. But you continue to be there. Why? Damn it, he killed us. Yep, you continue to be a pile of mush on the floor. Which is not correct. Because we're loading a save that happened before that. Actually, hang on, idea. We copy this up to the top so it saves properly up here. There we go. Why is there an undefined at line 877? Why is it printing line 877 twice? I don't even know what that is. Oh, we don't need that. Now we gotta wait for it to come through the wall again. I swear to God, I'm just gonna make the AI. Okay, the AI in test cell 1 is this. Yes, it is. Okay, nice. Let's give you a speed of like 20. Now it should come Newman through that wall. I am very scared. It's faster than me now. Help. Stop. And F9. It didn't work. And if we like move backwards a little bit, F9. Yep, that's another issue it can cause. It's also flashing, I don't know why. You know, let's just kill you. There we go, okay. And we're stuck here because we continue to collide. We need to fix it so I can toggle collision for things. Oh, my computer started humming. Buzzing-ish sort of thing. Where's it? Down here. We just want to... Before it loads, we just want to see... .ai's 0. Wait, no, AI's... Saved world 1, 0. .ai's 0. .x. Actually, no, we just copy that so it's always showing us what that is. Okay, good. That's its beginning position. Ah, it didn't work. AIs have the ability to ignore saves. It's really kind of terrifying when you think about it. Like, you reset you rewind reality, but but that thing still doesn't give a shit. It just keeps following you. Also, the functionality of this offers so many potential cool abilities if we have time. Like, you could do something like Terraria's recall potions, for example. That's the only cool example I can think of off the top of my head, but I'm sure there's others. And you could do the same thing to enemies. You could make it so it saves where all the enemies, where every enemy is, and when you use a spell, it just pushes everything back to where it was 5 seconds ago. Ooh, ability options. But then why isn't it bloody working? There's so it's very clearly at that position. Because the way AIs and entities work... Hang on, can I just try loading again? F9. It teleports us, things still over there. Yeah, the way AIs and entities works is entities do nothing by themselves and AI can push it around as much as it wants. So basically whatever the AI's position is, the linked entity will get teleported to it. Meaning you could have an entity that spawns to begin with over here. If the AI that's linked to it spawns at the other side of the map, it will drag it all the way across the map to the AI. So what I don't get is why it's ignoring that. Hang on, I know why it's ignoring that. It's fucking current cell. Current cell isn't changing. Let's just make another thing. Current cell, no. And then current cell number equals 0, I believe, to begin with. And saved world has... We just push a current cell number. And then it updates what the current cell is. Ah, that makes so much more sense. There you go, it zoom in, it zoom in, it zoom in, it zoom in, it zoom in. Come on, come over here, and F9. It works. Am I a genius or am I a genius? You're an idiot, Gwen. You know why? Because I acknowledged this was a problem earlier, and I still spent more time trying to fix it in a way that was not the correct thing. Now, if we were to say go here, that does the thing it's meant to, but then if we do this, it teleports us back to the previous cell, back to where we were, and that enemy's still rapidly approaching. Hang on, F9. Okay, good, it doesn't even restore our health. And now we need a way to save. But also, I want to make sure it does this thoroughly, so we're going to just implement this thing here for floors and the grid, even though theoretically the grid should never change and neither should floors, or actually walls might change because I might want to use internal doors that's just a wall piece that one of its coordinates changes to swing open. It would be difficult, but it would be a nice feature. Oh god, what did I just press? let grid equal babam. Let j of I dot floors dot push new. I believe these are actually called floor. Yes, they are. J dot width 1, J dot width 2, J dot x, J dot y, J dot z. Obviously, the way I've made floors is so incredibly annoying. J dot rotation, J dot texture, and squiggle catch zone colon J dot catch zone squiggle close. Then oh no, we put it here. No, we can't let that. Floors equals object dot assign now, just so that we know nothing's broken here, we run it again. F9, good. And then one more of this. Actually, hold on. I just want to test something. Okay, yeah, it does. I was just thinking maybe since we pushed this into the thing up there, but no, apparently saved world stops being saved once you copy it out to something. I mean, sure, we could just use this as the low, but I think what we've already committed to works better. Then there's one more thing. For like j of grid I dot grid, and this doesn't possess any sub variables. Well, it doesn't contain anything broken like the objects does, but later we're going to need to go back to how it recalls the player from the saved world, because the inventory is going to fuck shit up. So what's it called? It's a new node. PF. Hang on. Let's go node. Path node. There we go. Which has There we go, that is the saved world thing fully working. Should be, well, there's still a couple things. We need to make it so you can save the world, and why is it throwing an error? I've fucked up indentation somewhere. And that is correct, yes. Yellow to yellow. I can't figure out where it is. Dialogue, I know we didn't mess with that at all. Great, this is going to take some time. Where did this error first appear? Okay, there we go, it's gone. Then it comes there. Okay, so it's not... like, this bit's perfectly fine. But then for some reason when we move it elsewhere... oh, hold on. Yep, I had missed something. Now let's decide, what should the quick save button be? F1. What's F1? 112. Oh, okay, you can't find out what F3 is. So if you can't figure out that F3 becomes F2 and F4, oh, there. It's between F2 and F4, there's no way of finding out what it is for you. F5 somehow doesn't refresh the page. And F11, you can't press that. 12 you can, okay, right then. How to stop F5 from... how to block F5 in JavaScript. You know what, screw it, we'll just bind it to a different key. Let's say F1, which is F12, or no, it's 112, blah. Oh, and we should probably make it so you can only perform a save and load inside of the game. Okay, if key is down, 112. Eight eight one Control F. That one's unnecessary. That one's unnecessary. Those two are unnecessary. How are there more? I just got rid of you. Oh, no, that breaks things. What did I do? There we go, nothing left. Good. Now, if we were to say, go, like, was it F2? It was F1. F1. Okay, apparently F1 opens a new tab, so we change it to F2 to save. Oh, hold on. Hold on, what have I done? I see, okay, I'm an idiot. I accidentally copied too much code. The load code is also inside of save, which is not correct. I mean, I suppose it's alright as like a safety thing, you know, you save and then it loads that save to make sure it's saved properly. Okay, now F2 and then F9. It did not save properly. Oh, it still says 112, okay. There we go, now it will work, because previously it was trying to use the wrong button. F2, okay good, I assume that's saved. F9. Yes! Oh no, I accidentally brought an enemy back to life. Die. And it explodes. And hang on, if I just press... Okay, good, you can't do it while it's paused. There is another problem that could arise. Interact. You. If I now load here... Oh no, that's not what we wanted to test. F5. I pressed the wrong button, that's not what my quick save is. It's F2, there we go, so that's saved. And then F9. Hello? It's frozen a bit. Note to self, do not spam the quick save button. Even in my own game, that's a bad idea. Interact. Okay, F2. It didn't freeze, so F9. It freezes when trying to load. Okay. Is that just a thing with this cell? Is it the AI breaking? Oh, it might be trying to load the other cell, but then the AI breaks. I just realised when it loads an AI, when it reloads the AI, its pathfinding gets cleared. Shit. So yeah, it's trying to re-find me. So if I were to just go over to the other cell, don't even need to quick save. F9. Oh, then it puts me back in a safe place, or in the correct place rather. And this shows the issue that it's not. We don't currently have a way to. How do we? Current cell number is not changing properly because we haven't written a way for it to change. But this should be as simple as game, not game. Player class, I just got to check some things. Interact check. Where does it call interact check? It's in controls. Key is down 27. No, that's pause. Control F6. I just got to find the number 69. If key is down 69. Okay. Why is it written down? Why is it written here 7 times? Oh, because I had a very specific number for something there. Equals world dot index of is it index? That's not right. Might work, I'm not sure though. F2, and then just wander over a little bit here so we can see. 9. It works, yes! Okay, that is grand. So I'm going to give this cell a way to get back to the other cell, because I'm just kind like that to the cells in my game. Anyway, that is actually quick saving and loading complete. So I'm just going to take a short break, then we're going to make it so the player can die. How do I take a break? Like this. Oh, got to pause as well. Hey guys, I'm back. Hey. I had actually forgotten about that bit on my face that I said was going to annoy me. Great. Okay, so we're back. And because I took a break, my brain's now thrown off, so you know what that means. Just gotta quickly run some chess. Okay. Strange, bold strategy. They don't usually move the king out like that. But... I just felt like random hostility there. You know what? Let's do this one. No, don't do that game, please. We'll undo that. We want this. Really, you just okay, it just wasted its, just used its queen to take a pawn. Oh god, this is the one that lasts for 15. Actually, you know what? We'll let this play for the next 15 minutes. Hang on, this wouldn't be threatened by anything if I were to move it here, would it? No, it wouldn't. And it puts the queen in check. Well, it puts that queen in check, I think. Oh, checkmate! Of course, because it's a passed queen. Boom. You know what? These have been going too quick. I want to play the aggressive AI. Ratatatata. I'm not quite sure what its strategy here is yet. Actually, I see it could do that potentially. It's going in for... Oh, okay, interesting. Oh, damn, it puts me in... Okay, that's smart. I see what it's doing. Oh, fine, we take that. That's going to move down there. It went back in time. Shit. Okay, I see what it's doing. This is why I like playing the aggressive AI. I should have been doing this from the start of the day. Oh, that doesn't put us in check yet. However, it will on the next turn because this will be able to travel far enough back in time that it can take one on the real axis, one of the real axes. So we are just going to kill you now. Wait, I didn't... Did I move that before I moved the other knight? Oh, I did, okay. Well, they're now one queen down, which is always a good advantage for us. Now we just need to engage in operation, move one of those pawns away from the front of the queen. Oh shit, it's created another timeline. But we can just completely leave that. And there are now no, they have no queens. That's great. Okay. Oh, that one moved. It foresaw our plan. But what they don't realise is that this is a perfect part of Operation Clear Line. No, this is just making it more difficult for us. Fuck. Okay, this gotta go like that. That one can't move. Because we need to get rid of that thing. Yes, I just called it that thing when I know what it's called. And also, why didn't... I just gotta check why it didn't push the timeline back. I don't exactly understand when the rules are it pushes the timeline back and when it doesn't. Did it not push it back because there's already been a branch made from that one? I'll have to read up on the rules. Okay, what did you make? What move did you make here? Okay, that and that. Okay, we can put this on another timeline, that's good. Now please, for the love of God, can you take you? Why not? Fine, I'll do it. But then that one's going to take that because it knows otherwise it'll put the queen in. It'll put the king in check. Okay, it just moved its tower out and then back again. Oh, it just dodges the queen away anyway. Right then, we need to adopt a more aggressive strategy. Shit, I won't be able to predict where that's going to go. Okay, that piece needs to go actually. There are a lot of things that need to go actually. Okay, horsey, we go with that. If we do this, then that there would, oh no, that putting that there would then make it so it would be able to come back down to here and take it. So I say we add a defense line like that. Basically the past queen thing is now, we can't do the past we can't do the past king check strategy that I was going for anymore because they've branched the timeline, meaning they have another escape route. Anyway, that's our move for this turn. I'm very confused what they're doing here. So if we do this, then we do something like this maybe. Hang on. I need to say I can go like that actually. What's that doing? That might be planning something, I think. If we move this to here, that will have to take it. There's no other way it can be taken, I don't think. I mean, that will have to jump across the board to take it. Shit, unless these move down. I don't know if I'm just going to make a move and then... That one. Okay, good. That one can't do it. Good. Now, but if that moves down, it will have to... Like that, so... It can only move to there or there. Interesting. And there's another queen. I forgot about that. I mean, they have another king. I forgot about that. And to be fair, so do we. And it's incredibly unprotected, so... In all honesty, all that would need is... All it needs to do is to move that to there, and we're fucked. So we should probably make sure there is a piece in defense there. And, oh, we won. It worked. Because it goes back in time to that one, of course. Yeah, because it travels on another axis. Boom. That was good. Still have no idea what it was planning when it moved a queen to a different timeline, or moved a queen to the past, but then didn't push the timeline back. So it's basically just saying, I'm just going to move this out the way, and I never had to make a move with that. Now, actually, if I were to make a move with this, I think it would push the present back. Except, hold on. Is it white's go? Yeah, it's white's go, and for some reason, hold on. So they would have to use, can they not push the timeline back far enough? That could be the issue. Because hang on, if it does this, it doesn't push the, hang on, which one's the main timeline? That's the branch line. I don't understand how pushing the present back works. But anyway, you know what, I'm warmed up. Let's get back to programming. Was there any issues we were having before the break? Oh yeah, I wanted to put something in that cell just so we could get back. So test cell 2. We just want an entity, this one. Wait, entities are one. God, I really need to push my changes to GitHub. This one, okay. There you go, that's the... Let's just put one of these on the z-axis. Yeah, 1000 it can stay at, and negative 100. Then it should take you to... Hold on. What's that? Eh? Oh wait, I remember. Because it has to use this. Objects, no test cell. Test cell 2 dot objects 0 dot use data 0 equals test cell. And theoretically, doing this, it should, because it's the reference and not a copy, it should be able to mean everything stays where it is once you warp out and then back into a cell. So that's there, boom. You're the one who we talk to, right? Current cell.objects is not iterable? Why not? Why is it not fucking iterable? Hang on, line 247. It's part of the player class? Okay, 247, okay. So for some reason current cell.objects is not working. Let's just... I'm just going to print current cell once you warp. Okay, draw... game... Wait, is it... key is down 69. Nice. Else. There we go. Let's see what happens when I warp to the other cell. Ah, God, you came through a wall. Okay. See, it's two entities. Oh, there's the other one. so it should be iterable, right? E, but then it breaks. Current cell.objects becomes blank. Hold on. Hold the fuck on. Oh shit, wait, that's the teleport one, okay. I want to refresh. I wanted to go to the one that we talked to, actually. No, I didn't. I was going to test the teleport, but I just wanted to make a joke about it. Wait, what the fuck? That's the teleport one? Ah, God, you're here. Why are you here? Why did it crash? Because it can't reach the pathfinding grid, I think? Okay, what the fuck? Give me my mouse back. Now, which is the one that's... Fucking hell. Oh! Shit. This one's using the wrong thing. It was trying to load a zone and then push this as the world data. No fucking wonder it wasn't working. Hello, close the tab, please. Ah, thank God. Okay, so now we can test if it's really going to work properly or not. Oh, bye. Are you the talkie? You are the talkie. Nope. Current cell.objects. Why are you trying to iterate? Fucking hell. Maybe we shouldn't make it so that's at the same position the other one's at. It's probably trying to... Wait, hold on, it's still got load zone. What the fuck? Okay, that might just be an error of me not refreshing the page properly. Okay, interact. Why are you there? Because I changed its position. Right, yes, that's meant to happen. Hello, give me my... Oh, wait, no, we wanted to... read this. One of them should be there. Dialogue, thank you. Can we talk to you? Please. Getting dialogue. Clear response 2. Hang on. See reaction 1. Okay, good. I think that hitbox for the thing was just a little off. Now we just need to change this data. Oh shoot, that's F4, not F5. Pff. Big dum-dum moment. Yes, I know there's... I'm not fucking loading the favicon, I don't think. I'm not trying to, at least. Probably should have one, though. It would be a nice feature. Just a little thing there, so we've not got that icon of a globe. Is it really a globe, kind of? Console. Okay, this. Oh lord, that enemy be running towards us. Bye. And then this one. We do this. Oh shit, it's there, yes. Yes, it works. Okay, good. And then that should still be dead when we warp back in. Okay, great. But that's not what we were meant to be doing. I mean, it's part of it. It makes sure we now know that the saving works properly. Or we now know that actually, yeah, everything works properly with that. That's great. Now there was something else I wanted to just do that quick. Oh yes, in AI. No, not that. Where's the shortcut check? Shut it, computer. Stop humming. Shh, why are you making so much noise? Oh, it's... Okay, it's calming down a little. Oh no. Okay. Where would it be? Where would it be, the thing I'm looking for? Ah, here. Right then, you. Yeah, that's a really strange thing. I don't understand it. For some reason, that extra bit of logic here, for some reason, allows it to go through walls. Basically, it's checking. Okay, if there's a wall between me and the player, I cannot go in a straight line to the player. But then it's also checking. Okay, well, if the base of the wall is beneath my y plus my height, and the base of the wall plus its height, so the top of the wall, is above my feet. Hang on, let's actually do some checking things here, because I want to fucking fix this. Because this is going to cause issue when I have layers with floors stacked on top of each other. I.base. There we go. Now it should print those values a whole lot of times, and it should be the same every time. 0 nan. Why is it a nan? Why the fuck is there a nan? Hang on. Console.log. This.height. Here's where we find out that I've spelt a variable wrong many times over. Undefined. Okay. Why do they not have a height? I could have sworn they had a height. AI don't have a height, it's the fucking entity they're attached to that has a height. This dot. This is going to fix something we spent a really long time fucking trying to fix. And it's just because I've referenced a variable wrong. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Now you should stop walking through walls. Through walls. Wait, no, it just walked through another fucking wall. Why is it still printing undefined? I thought I got rid of that. Alright, it's here. Now we've now got to go back and add that to every place we removed it from. It's walking through walls again. Why are you still walking through walls? Shit, we need the console.log back. Why does the music keep pausing? Yes, I want to keep listening. Jesus Christ, I wouldn't have the music on if I didn't want to listen to it. Okay, good. I thought it would turn me off for an error for a second. 0 net. Why is it still nan? Why does this linked entity.height not exist? Because that's not what linked entity is. It should be this dot. It should be. There we go. Jeez. There we go. Now it will work. Now it's broken. No, it won't. Current cell dot current cell dot objects. There we go. Now it'll work. Now it's just undefined still. But it's walking around the walls, hell yes. Because the print is printing something different. Fuck yeah. Now, just so we can get the satisfaction. Fuck yeah, it's printing the right thing. And my god, look at how many times it's running that code. That's a lot. Surely that can't be the most efficient way to be doing this. Why is it... Oh no, because it's part of following the path. And then we need to adjust the same thing here. Because we got rid of it all a lot. Hold on, we can get rid of the console log. And then we can put it there as well. Oh fuck, it feels so good. Okay. And we are running short on time, so it's time to end the stream. That's not OBS. This is OBS. Bugs got fucking fixed, my dudes. Let's go. Let's go. Bugs got fixed. Save system got added. We didn't create something to happen when the player dies, so we got to fix that. Anyway, yeah, this is me ending the stream. Please follow if you haven't already. Subscribe if you somehow made it to the end of the VOD on YouTube. I love you all very, very much. Join the Discord, and I will see you next time. Bye! Oh, shoot. Next time might be later this evening. Because I'm joining a friend's new Minecraft realm. And it's going to be cool. We're going to hang out with some cool people. That might be made into a video. Shit, I've got other things to make into a video. Oh, fuck. I've still got to edit the last act of Solar Queen. I'm ending the stream. Sorry, I'm ranting, but stream's ending. Goodbye. There's not even going to be a bit where you get to just chill to the music while you all spam. I don't know why I'm saying spam. There's no one here. Yeah, bye. Fuck off. Sorry, that was rude. Goodbye. I love you all.